Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating your prerequisites and then act. Assemble a labeled dataset in clean, consistent JSON and remove PII. Once done, choose a base GPT model and verify API keys and compute quota so you can run experiments. Next, tokenize a sample batch to confirm sequence lengths and set an initial learning rate. Start with a tiny fine-tune on 100-500 examples to smoke test the pipeline. Make sure logging and checkpoints are enabled before proceeding to full training. Now you execute the core training loop and watch metrics closely. You will alternate training steps with validation and adjust hyperparameters when validation loss plateaus. For example, reduce LR or increase batch size with gradient accumulation. Make sure to log examples of generated outputs so you can judge quality rather than only scalar metrics. Once you see stable improvements, extend training duration or apply regularization. Finally, snapshot checkpoints and export the best model for evaluation and deployment. Finish by evaluating across held-out tests and real-world prompts to validate performance and safety. You should convert the checkpoint to an optimized serving format, test latency under expected load, and verify tokenization matches production. Once deployed, monitor feedback and set up rollback criteria. If outputs are strange or overfit, reduce learning rate, add more diverse examples, or apply early stopping and regularization. If latency is high, use quantization or smaller base models while retaining essential behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.